Are you looking for the best folding exercise bike? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best exercise bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Exerpeutic Gold 500 XLS Folding Upright Bike. The Exerpeutic 500 XLS foldable magnetic upright bike comes with a strong X-shaped steel frame that is completely foldable and can support 400 pounds, 181 kg, of user weight. The steel frame is made of thick steel tubing, giving the bike an overall weight of 51.6 pounds, 23.4 kilograms. Its foldability makes it very easy to store the bike. This bike occupies a small footprint of 99 by 67 centimeters of floor space when unfolded. This makes it perfect for apartment living and for people with limited space to store exercise equipment. While most upright stationary bikes suffer from uncomfortable saddle or seat, this magnetic exercise bike comes with a spacious seat. Its 35.5 centimeters wide and 23 centimeters long cushioned seat eliminates any soreness you might experience while biking. One downside of this fold-up bike is the console supplied with it. The console on this small folding exercise bike is pretty basic without any preloaded workout apps. However, it does track user info like time, speed, calories burnt, and pulse during workout. The console features one button called Mode, which you can use to turn it on or cycle between the values it tracks. The console also comes with an odometer which tracks the total distance traveled. This is a good foldable exercise bike you can pick up if you lack the space to exercise, plus it's very affordable. Number 2. Xterra Fitness FB350 Folding Exercise Bike. If you are out for a compact foldable exercise bike for a comfortable riding experience, go with the Xterra Fitness FB350. This exercise bike is built for a maximum user weight of 102 kilograms, 225 pounds, and it's best used with seated workouts. Being a fold-up exercise bike, it covers a unit footprint of 79 by 53 centimeters when the frame is unfolded. This makes it a space-saving exercise bike for apartments. The bike seat comes with a contoured surface which is extremely comfortable, especially for long exercises. Also, the seat comes with an attached backrest that provides good lumbar support. Away from the bike seat, the handlebar of this fold-away bike comes with rubber foam material. This material is comfortable and provides a secure grip. The side grips on the handlebar are also equipped with metallic pulse sensors for pulse tracking. To continually challenge yourself as you work out, this magnetic folding bike comes with 8 levels of resistance. Moving across the levels increases the pedal difficulty. Just like the Exerpeutic 500 XLS foldable bike, this Xterra bike comes with no preset workout programs. Its exercise meter comes with an LCD display and can measure time, distance, total distance, speed, calories, and pulse. Overall, this bike is very easy to assemble and you'll get a good value for money buying it. Number 3. Marcy Folding Upright Exercise Bike. This small folding exercise bike is super compact and great for shorter people. It is lightweight, portable, and folds up to about half of its original size. This bike is a great option for college students in dormitories or a business person's office. This Marcy folding upright bike can only handle up to 250 pounds, 113 kg, of user weight. This upright bike comes with a padded seat made with high-density foam. This ensures a comfortable riding exercise while maintaining a proper body form. With this budget-friendly bike, you get a basic computer console. This console gives you readings for speed, time, distance, and calories burned. One downside of this console is that it lacks a heart rate monitor. This is, however, acceptable given its price. Created for fitness enthusiasts of all skill levels, the Marcy NS654 comes with a magnetic resistance mechanism that can be adjusted to the preset 8 levels, allowing you to tailor your training to your fitness level. Push beyond your limits and track your progresses as you train with this gear using the LCD computer screen that acts as an odometer, which lets you monitor distance traveled, time elapsed, current speed, and calories burned. Featuring an ergonomically designed structure, this exercise bike has an innovative frame that folds up to facilitate convenient storage anywhere in your home.